Hi everyone. Today we're going to be planting in our brand new raised bed planter. And the first plant that we're going to plant in here is our hot burrito peppers. And look how beautiful these peppers look. This is a beautiful starter plant. And the soil we'll be using is the Nature's Care organic raised bed soil. And it's no mixing required. So stay tuned, this is going to be exciting. Next we added a little bit of biodegradable paper. I cut slits in the bottom. This is just something temporary. I've noticed when people are doing garden beds that they add cardboard to the bottom of their garden bed to prevent weeds and that sort of thing. So it's kind of like the same concept. I cut slits in it so it can drain when it decomposes, and the dirt will go on top. And also this will keep the dirt from sliding through the bottom also. And now we're going to add our dirt, and I'll be back. And now we've added our dirt, and we use the Nature's Care organic raised bed soil, and we've added it to our raised bed. And now we're going to plant our peppers. Just going to make some room in the dirt, and we're going to plant it in the center. And take it out of the bone cup gently. And see all the roots. And we can kind of massage the roots a little bit to loosen them up. And we're going to plant that right in the middle. Put some more dirt. And it's supposed to rain today, so this will be, it'll get watered very well. I'm going to pick off this little leaf here that looks like it's not our friend. These. Alright, and we're going to take this out to the back patio, and we're going to watch our little peppers grow. And in the extra room, we're going to find out what companion plants are friends with the hot burrito pepper, and we're going to plant those in here also. But here we are, our mini raised bed. Thanks for watching. Here we are, everyone. We've added our new pepper plant to our backyard garden, and it's in its brand new home, which is a raised bed. And I just watered the soil. Look how beautiful that is. My favorite color, green. They're gonna turn red, but they are so beautiful green. And look at all of its, look at the cucumbers. See how humongous the cucumber plant has gotten. Look at that, beautiful. And our tomato plant is doing its thing. Welcome home. Thank you, Pop-Pops. Happy Father's Day.